Welcome back to Christmas with Arubakes. In episode 9, I'm making egg boats. Egg boats or deviled eggs is a staple at all the kids' birthday parties back at home. My dad and I both absolutely loved them, almost to the point of competing to see who has eaten more. And my mother-in-law knows this and she makes like 10 extra just for me whenever there's a family birthday party. Now, though this is not exactly a Christmas canapé, I think egg boats should be included in all festive occasions. So here it is. Now the only problem with making these is that somehow, despite all the culinary skill and experience that I have, boiling and peeling an egg is just not something I can do well. If you can do this without a struggle, then the rest of this recipe is an absolute breeze. In theory, you put the eggs into a pot, cover it with water and get it to a rolling boil. Let it sit for about 8 minutes and then pop it in some ice cold water. And then peel to get yourself a perfectly boiled egg. We only have a few more recipes to go in this Christmas series. I hope you've been enjoying these so far. I know I've had a blast making these for you. I have lots of exciting things planned for next year, so please hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date. Slice the eggs in half lengthwise. Scoop out the yolk and pop it into a bowl. To this, add mayo, mustard, paprika powder, and then give it a good mix. I'm not seasoning this at this point. Mix, taste, and then go in with salt and pepper if you need it. You can also go in with a squeeze of lime or even a dash of pickle juice, just to add a slight tang to this. Mash everything together until it's nice and creamy. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Make sure that you don't add too much mayo because the mixture will become a bit runny and it won't hold its shape. I think it's very pretty when you pipe the yolk back into the white rather than just spooning it in. Put a large, slightly open-tipped star nozzle in a piping bag and then fill it with the yolk mixture. Line the egg whites up and then pipe the filling onto the egg whites. I'm just keeping this simple and sprinkling a little bit of paprika over and then finishing it off with a sprig of dill. But you can go nuts with the toppings. You can even top this with some chopped up bacon or olives or even some prawn or jalapeno. But nothing beats the original if you ask me. And if I'm being honest, no egg boat beats my mom-in-law's ones. Not even this. You know the drill. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Arubakes so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes that I'm sharing. Hope you're having a rocking December. See you in the next video. Bye.